Cortech Sequoia Bed installation instructions. You will need pencil, drill with 3/8 inch bit, T45 Torx Pin Head, screwdriver with tamper-resistant T45 Torx bit, mounting guide, mounting brackets with captured cage nuts, threaded concrete anchor, security Torx bolts, flat washer. Step 1. Locate the Sequoia bed in position. Using a 3/8 inch drill bit, drill through the marked dimples in the side of the bed. Up to 8 mounting holes can be used, depending on the owner's preference and site conditions. Step 2. Use a pen or pencil to draw a T at each notch. Step 3. Remove the Sequoia bed. Using the provided alignment guide, center it between each T, marked in Step 2. Mark a drill hole in the alignment guide. Step 4. Using a 3/8 inch masonry bit, drill a hole 2.5 inch deep into the floor at the intersections of the lines marked in the previous steps. Step 5. Insert the concrete anchors into the floor. Step 6. Fasten the provided metal brackets to the anchor with the provided washer and nut. Step 7. Place the Sequoia bed over the anchored metal brackets. Step 8. Drive the supplied Torx bolts and washers through the side of the bed. Make sure the bolt is securely interfacing with the cage nuts attached to the mounting brackets